Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're fine and doing well. Here we come again with the AI projects transform plastic bottles into a beautiful vase and wall hanging vase flowers. We add some different ideas in this video, so please must watch video till the end. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel for more updates and more amazing projects and homemade craft. Every time when you buy a cold drink like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 7-Up, Sprite. So when you throw the plastic bottle in the street on the road, so next time don't waste plastic bottles. Here we share with you how to make a beautiful, colorful bottle jar, bottles walls with different and beautiful ideas. First of all, you take some plastic bottle, wash cleanly, and then clean his wrapper, labels, and you need some accessories like scissor, cutter. So cut the middle of the bottles and paint on it with different design as you show in video. You can also use spray paint for different design, different shapes, different colors. And insert beautiful flowers, rose, herbs as per your desire. Hang into in your balcony, your window, your garden. You can also use these project for in your kitchen for spoons, on your computer table for your pencils, pen. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly project. Actually, you can help environment too. So next time when you throw this plastic stuff, think about your craft, think about your projects. Then you finish the colors and make a beautiful homemade craft. You look feel very amazing. You can also visit our channel. There is lots of and beautiful homemade craft DIY projects which can help you how to make your home beautiful and cozy. I'm also share lots of Christmas event ideas. I really thankful to your support. Take care. Goodbye.